guys, Steph here. Okay, so this weekend we were out sort of pen hunting for a couple of days, and as always we found some interesting items, we found some rubbish, so as always some good, some bad, some ugly. As always, most of these items are available for sale, so if you're interested, get in touch straight away. So without further ado, let's go. Well, what I'm going to do is show you the boxed items first. This is an unusual item that, well, normally I don't bother with, but I saw it, I thought it was quite nice, so I bought it. As you can see, it comes in the original box, and if we open it up, look at that. Okay, so what we've got here is, well, let's take the pens out. You've got a dip pen there, okay, in red, so I'm assuming for red ink. We've got this clear one, so you can use whatever colour you prefer in that particular one. And then if we take this out here, put the box to one side. A little bit difficult working today over the camera, and look at that, a lovely, this is an Esterbrook desk set. So what you do is you put your pens in there like so, and again you've got red and you've got whichever colour you would like. Comes in black with this, yeah, it's like, well, I'm assuming it's a leather. And then if we turn it over there, okay, you can see it says, well, I don't know if you can see it says, but it says Dipless fountain pen, well, Esterbrook, made in England, and it's got a patent number, and the same thing says on each side there. So it's what they term as a Dipless fountain pen, well, as I say, in this lovely leather, in excellent condition. And as far as I can see, well, obviously I can see here straight away, Esterbrook nibs, never been used. So not my kind of thing, but I know there's people out there that actually collect these. I know this would look lovely on somebody's desk. So yeah, if you're interested, you know what to do. So this was the first item. Let's get on to the second item. And here's the second item that I found. Yes, doesn't need any introduction. We've got the Mont Blanc, we've got this label to the end, and we've got the label to the other end. I don't know if you can actually read it there. This is a Mont Blanc Pix Black Ballpoint pen, made in Germany. And if we open it up for you, let's take it out of the outer box. Inside we've got the original instructions. There we go, it's been stamped from Mont Blanc, is it Simplo, in Germany. So it was bought in Germany, and if you look at the date, October 2021, so pretty well a year old. But as far as I can see, the pen has never been used. Comes with a voucher, a free voucher to have the pen engraved if you wish to. So pop that to one side, and there we have it in gorgeous condition, nice and simply. As we said, what we've got is a Mont Blanc Pix ballpoint pen in this, well, what they term as precious resin with platinum plated trim, the logo to the top there, and it's a cap twisted or activated ballpoint pen in beautiful, well, as far as I'm concerned, it's never been used, it's in full working order, in gorgeous condition. I will not do a, well, review on this pen because, well, ballpoints are not my cup of tea. So just simply to say that this pen is available. It's not a fountain pen, so I won't even consider keeping it. So if there's anybody that likes Mont Blanc ballpoint pens, get in touch. Okay, so let's carry on with the next item that I found. And here it is. It's a box of all sorts of things inside. Let's take you straight here. A calligraphy set. And if we open it up, look at that. It's got the pen, it's got replacement, nibs, etc. there. In lovely condition. Okay, just one of the cartridges missing. There's the different nibs you can get. You see it's got 3 calligraphy nibs. In lovely condition. I don't do calligraphy, so I'm sure somebody will enjoy it. There we go. Got some. Whoever this box was from, I think they would have liked doing calligraphy. Right, we've got a Parker box. I'm not sure what's in here. It says 45 flighter. So if we open it up, there's nothing in the box, but the box will come in handy anyway. Let's take that out. Other little sort of bits and bats, I don't know what they are, sort of quite modern pens. So I'm sure somebody will have them. I don't even know what that is. It's a paper mate. We've got some platinum cartridges there. What's this pen at the bottom? Is that 45? I'm not sure what it is. No, it's again, well, there you go. It's another calligraphy pen. So yeah, whoever this box came from, they obviously liked to do calligraphy. Some more cartridges. We've got a cross pen there. This is a calligraphy sort of dip pen by the looks of it. A shape of flat top. I'm not quite sure what that is. That looks like a Parker. Yeah, some sort of a roller ball. We've got another one here. That's another sort of roller ball. Another ballpoint, and this again another calligraphy pen. So if there's anybody looking for calligraphy stuff, there we go. Look at these. Lots of replacement nibs, and again another Parker pen there, and lots of cartridges to the bottom. So lots of calligraphy stuff here. Anybody looking or who's interested in calligraphy, I may even just do this lot as a job lot for somebody. If interested, get in touch. And another box. There we go. I wish there was actually, I wish the watch was in here. An Amiga box, and inside, there we go again, lots of sort of cartridges, refills, etc. These always come in handy, these refills. But inside we found, yeah, well, Parker 61 flight, as always. The arrow missing there. We've got a Parker 45 in this, I think it's grey shield, this is it the Harlequin pattern? I know there's people out there that collect these. And last but not least, look at this, yes, another Parker 61 with the arrow missing there, but comes with this lovely consort cap. So yeah, I'm not too sure what we'll do there. We might try and do something. So as you can see, I've been quite busy, and we've bought sort of lots of a lot of these sort of cartridges and refills, they come in handy to put in pens when I'm sending them out to customers. So not only these, but these as well. A little bag. So let's just get straight into the bag. Let's put everything. There we go. Let's put the bag to one side. Oh, look at that. Not sure what that is. Oh, another calligraphy, and it's a platinum pen in brown. I've actually never seen them in the brown colour, so quite interesting. There we go. Not sure what that is again. Let me have a look on with my eyepiece. Right, it's a John Bull pen. We've got a Parker 45, another calligraphy. We've got a Conway Stewart cap. Oh, there we go, look at that. We've got an Estabrook fountain pen there. So, yeah, there we go. A little bit of scratch, not sure what will do that. I'm sure there's somebody out there that may be looking at a Estabrook pen. We've got a Schaefer ballpoint there. A Parker pencil. That looks like a platinum pen, yeah, with a stainless steel nib. That looks like another platinum, I think. Nice colour actually. This looks like a calligraphy pen, Osmeroid, yep, calligraphy. So anybody looking for calligraphy stuff, we seem to have found lots of calligraphy pens. We've got a Schaefer pen, looks like it's got somebody's name or somebody's exhaust and tyres. There we go. So I'm not sure what we'll do with that. There we go, nice Parker pen. Unfortunately, if you look there, somebody was very hungry when they were using this particular pen. You can see it's got lots of teeth marks. Yeah, it's got the original nib there, and if I look at the bottom, it's, oh, the aluminium filler is missing there, so I'm sure we'll do something with that. Looks like another platinum pen. Okay, if anybody's looking for, a lot of these platinum pens make great sort of practice pens. You know, if you're actually looking to restore your own pens and you want pens to practice with, these, they're ideal pens to practice with. So again, anybody's looking for a job lot of platinum pens to practice, give me a shout. There we go. We've got a not a Parker, should I say, a Schaefer. Looks to be the Mark 1. It's got yeah, it's got somebody's name on the side of it there. You can see it just needs a little bit of attention. It's got this horrible sort of mark to the side there. I don't know what that's all about. I'm sure we'll be able to polish that out. It's sort of everything's sort of loose, etc. So yeah, a little bit dirty, tired, etc. I'm sure we might be able to do something with that and sort of rescue it. I think we've just shown you that one, haven't we? Last but not least, there we go, nice Parker, is it a 51 or a 61 pencil in gorgeous condition, very nice condition. So there we have it with them. And lastly, this particular bag here. So there we go, we've got bags within bags. Tesco's, no, we didn't buy them at Tesco's. So let's take all these out, see what we've got, run through them with you people, because I know some of you people like to see these pen haul videos. Let's get rid of the bag. There we go, in no particular order. Kaweco, looks like a Kaweco Sports. A nice Parker 61 pencil in grey. Looks like a Parker Junior in nice condition. We'll restore that. They make great everyday pens. What we got in here? Another little sort of Schaefer pen. Looks like a Parker 61 pen and pencil. Can we guess yes or no? No, it's got it missing. It's got the arrow. So I think it's very rare nowadays to find a 61 with the inlaid arrow. Conway Stewart. There we go, Conway Stewart pen. Let's get rid of that tag. But no, we'll get rid of that afterwards. 388, I think it is. Loose cap bands. So that might be. Yeah, it might be a parts pen. what have we got in here? Another Schaefer. Let's unscrew the cap. Sorry, not unscrew it, let's pull it out. There we go. Stainless steel nib. Again, these make lovely everyday pens for everyday writing. To the back here, again we've got another Parker. Yes, and it looks like a 61. Ah, that's interesting. Just looking at the cap there, it's actually got a rainbow cap. But rather, yes, and there we go. The inlaid arrow is missing there as well. Within this Tesco bag here, let's have a look at what we've got. Okay, so we've got another sort of old pen here. Don't know what this one is. Unfortunately, it's got a crack there on the cap. Okay, let me have a look at the number to the end. Is it a Waterman, or just bear with me? Yep, it's a daisy. It's a Waterman number 12 with a crack in the cap there. Not sure what this is. Okay, is it? Well, don't particularly know, to be honest with you. Oh, I think it's a Parker with the wrong clip in it, so yeah, might be able to do something with that. That's an interesting pen. Look at the pattern there. What I'm going to do is try and find a clip and a sort of cap stud to the top there, and then we'll review that one, because it's an interesting pattern and a lovely pen. Parker 51 in grey. Got, as I said in all my videos, I've got loads and loads of Parker 51s. Anybody looking for a 51, give me a shout. Looks like a lady's Parker 17. Don't know what this is. Is it a Croxley? Alright, a Mentmore Paramount. So let's have a look at the nib. Yeah, it's got the original nib. So that'll make we'll actually restore that one. That'll make a lovely pen. There we go, Swan Maybe Todd. A gorgeous, this sort of rustic colour. There's a Swan logo to the top. This may have actually had, well, no, what I'll do, I'll restore that and we'll do a review on that. And last but not least, a lovely teal blue Parker 45, lovely condition, gold nib, a lovely pen. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all the pens, not just pens but other items that I found over the weekend on my pen hunt. As I said, lots of these available. Anything here that you're interested in, you know what to do. Get in touch. But for now, from all these pens and myself, I'd just like to say Slavo Ukraini and bye bye for now.